Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start the next part of playing with numbers. Here in this section we shall discuss about HCF and LCM. HCF is the highest common factor and LCM is the lowest common multiple. Then highest common factor or HCF. Consider two numbers 12 and 16. Now factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. From both we can find the highest common factor and it is 4. Because 4 is the factor in both the numbers and this is the highest common factor. Similarly, considering three numbers at a time 20, 28 and 36. Now factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Here also we will find that the common factor 4 is the highest of these factors. Therefore, it concludes that the highest common factor or HCF of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor or GCD. The HCF of 20, 28 and 36 can also be found by prime factorization of these numbers as follows. So here 20 can be prime factorized like this, 28 is also prime factorized and 36, the prime factorization of 36 is like this. So thus 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5, prime factorization of 20. Then prime factorization of 28, that is 2 into 2 into 7. Then prime factorization of 36, that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So the common factor of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 occurring twice. So thus HCF of 20, 28 and 36 is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Then lowest common multiple or LCM. Consider two numbers of 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 and so on. Hence, the common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and so on. Now, which is the lowest of these? It is 12. It concludes lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. It is the smallest number of which 4 and 6 are factors. So the lowest common multiple or LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest or least of their common multiples. Then let us solve example 8. Find the LCM of 12 and 18. Solution is like this. We know that common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108 and so on. The lowest of these is 36. Let us see another method to find LCM of two numbers 12 and 18. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3 and the prime factorization of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. In this prime factorization, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is 2 and for the prime factor 3 is also 2. That means in 12 the prime factor 2 occurs 2 times and in 18 the prime factor 3 occurs 2 times. So we have to take the maximum times of a prime factor that occurs in the prime factorization of a number. So hence the lowest common multiple will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So that is equal to 36. Next, example 9. Find the LCM of 24 and 90. So solution is like this. The prime factorization of 24 and 90 are 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. In this prime factorization, the maximum number of times the prime factor 2 occurs is 3 and this happens for 24. Similarly, for the number 90, the maximum number of times the prime factor 3 occurs is 2 and the prime factor 5 occurs only once. So we have to take each factor, but we will take the maximum number of times it occurs. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So 2 occurs maximum 3 times, 3 occurs maximum 2 times and 5 occurs once. So the product is 360. So the LCM is 360. Next, example 10. Find the LCM of 40, 48 and 45. Solution is the prime factorization of 40, 48 and 45 are 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And 45 is equal to 3 into 3 into 5. Here in the factorization, the prime factor 2 appears maximum for 4 times in 48. The prime factor 3 occurs maximum for 2 times in 45 and the prime factor 5 appears 1 time in 40 and 45. Therefore, the required LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. that is equal to 720. So the LCM of 40, 48 and 45 is 720. Example 11. Find the LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Solution. We write the numbers as follows in a row. Divide by the least prime number which divides any of the given numbers. Here it is 2. 20 and 30 are divisible by 2, but 25 is not divisible by 2. So, the number which is not divisible, they are written as such in the next row. So, here like this, we will write 20, 25, 30 in a row. Then we will divide by the prime factor 2. Again divide by 2 because out of this only 10 is divided by 2. So continue this till we have no multiples of 2. Then divide the next prime number which is 3. Then divide by next prime number which is 5. Again divide by 5. Hence LCM of 20, 25 and 30 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. That is equal to 300. Then example 12. Two tankers contain 850 liters and 680 liters of kerosene oil respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container which can measure the kerosene oil of both the tankers when used an exact number of times. Solution is like this. The required container has to measure both the tankers in a way that the count is an exact number of times. So, its capacity must be an exact divisor of the capacities of both the tankers. So, moreover, the capacity should be maximum. Thus, the maximum capacity of such a container will be the SCF of 850 and 680. So, the prime factoration of 850 is like this. Then the prime factoration of 680 is like this. So, 850, prime factoration of 850 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 17. 680 is equal to 2 into 5 into 2 into 17 into 2. So, the common factors of 850 and 680 are 2, 5 and 7. So, HCF of 850 and 680 is 2 into 5 into 17, that is equal to 170. Therefore, maximum capacity of the required measuring container is 170 liters. Next, example 13. In a morning walk, 3 persons step up together. Their step measure 80 cm, 85 cm and 90 cm respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so as that all can cover the same distance in complete steps? Solution is, the distance covered by each one of them is required to be the same as well as minimum. the required minimum distance each should walk would be the lowest common multiple of the measures of their steps. So we find the LCM of 80, 85 and 90. And the LCM is equal to 5 into 2 into 8 into 17 into 9 is equal to 12,240. So the required minimum distance is 12,240 centimeter. So the minimum distance is 12,240 centimeter that each should walk is so that all can cover the same distance in complete steps. Next, example 14. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Solution. We first find the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36 as follows. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is equal to 144. So this is the method to finding the LCM of 12, 16, 24 and 36, and this method is known as prime factorization method. Hence 144 is the least number which when divided by the given numbers will remainder 0 in each case. But the question is that leaves a remainder 7 in each case. So the required number is 7 more than 144, that is equal to 151. So the least number is 151, which when divided by 12, 16, 24 and 36 leaves a remainder 7 in each case. Thank you.